Hello students, welcome to SS Power Education. Today I am going to start with a new chapter of Standard 8 Expansion Formula. Okay, so we have studied the following expansion formula in 7th standard. The formulas are a plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so just for a recall, a plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this was your first formula. The second one is a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And your third formula was a plus b into a minus b. This bracket means into multiplication. So your formula will become a square minus b square. These were the formulas we have learned in the previous year. Okay, previous standard. So here they have given few examples, few sums which we have to, just for a recall, we have to practice it. Okay, so I'll just go through and show you how to solve it for just a better understanding. Okay, so the sum was x plus 2 the whole square, x plus 2y, x plus 2y the whole square. We have to use the formula a plus b the whole square. So the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here your a is x and your b is 2y. So just we have to put x in the place of a and 2y in the place of b. So our formula will become x square plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2y the whole square. So x square plus 2 into 2 4, x square plus 4xy plus 2 ka square, which is 4, and y will carry the square ka sign. So your answer will become x square plus 4xy plus 4y square. Okay, so now second sum was 2x minus 5y the whole square. Okay, here also we'll use the same formula, which is a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here your a is 2x and your b is 5y. So simply you have to write 2x the whole square minus 2 into 2x into 5y plus 5y the whole square. 2 square is 4. X will carry the square sign. 2 into 2 4 into 5 20, x into y xy plus 5 ka square is 25 and y will carry the sign of square. This is your answer. Third sum is 101 the whole square. Okay, 101. So your number has come. What we have to write if number comes? We have to see a round figure and we have to add or subtract. So here we'll have to add the number 100 plus 1. Okay, so here the formula will come a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so your a is 100 and your b is 1. So 100 the whole square plus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 the whole square. Okay, 100 ka square is 10,000. Okay, plus 2 into 100 is 200 into 1 is 200 and 1 का square is 1. So 10,000 plus 200 plus 1 is 10201. Okay, so 10201 is your answer. That is 10,201. Okay, this way we have to do the number sum. So now fourth sum is 98 the whole square. Here we will have to subtract it. 100 minus 2 is 98. Okay, we have to go to the nearest tens or hundreds. Okay, we have to reach the nearest 100 or tens to make the number easier to, we have to find squares and things. So we have to find the nearest tens or hundreds to add or subtract the number. Okay, so here your A is 100 and your B is 2. So again the same formula, but this time minus. Okay, A minus B the whole square, which is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So your A is 100 and your B is 2. Okay, so 100 का square is 10,000. 2 into 100 is 200. 200 into 2 is 400 plus 2 का square, which is 4. Here 10,000 minus 400. Okay, so minus means 0 0. This will become 0, this will become 9, this will become 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6 and this 9 will come as it is. Okay, and this 4 will be added to this number, which has become 9604, which is 9604. Okay, so the last sum was 5m plus 3n and 5m minus 3n. Okay, so your A is 5m and your B is 3n. Now in this sum we'll use this formula. Okay, so the formula will become A plus B into A minus B, which is A square minus B square. So here your A is 5m the whole square minus 3n the whole square. 5 का square is 25, m will carry the sign of square. 3 square is 9, n will carry the sign of square. So this is your answer. Okay, so here we have completed previous years, previous standards, few formulas which is not actually required here, but only to recall the formulas we have just practiced it. Okay, I have just shown you how we have used this, because here these formulas are a bit difficult than this one. Okay, so with this I'll end this video. Okay, I hope you all understood what this formula was. I hope you all remember how to solve this kind of sums. Okay, I'll explain this formula and this exercise in the next video to not make it very long. Okay, I want you all to understand the concept. So this was the previous standards formula, this, and this is 8th standards formula. Okay, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.